Yeah. Let the rain, let it fall, let it cleanse my soul. I've been walking through seasons, trying to heal from the hurt, carrying pieces of yesterday, still stained by the dirt. But every teardrop I cried felt like heaven replied. And now the clouds are rolling in to wash what's left inside. And I feel it, yeah, I feel it, a change in the atmosphere tonight. Rain is falling, it's coming down, washing all my worries to the ground. Oh, this storm is holy, it's covering me slowly. Rain is falling, but I'm standing on solid ground. Rain is falling, it's coming down, cleansing every shadow in my heart. And I surrender to it, let your love run through it. Rain is falling, tearing the walls apart. I was holding on tightly to the pain I outgrew, trying to fight for control of what belonged to you. But when I opened my hands, I felt your spirit descend. And every drop that touched my skin made the broken start to mend. Now I feel it, yeah, I feel it, that healing rain pulling me to life. Rain is falling, it's coming down, washing all my worries to the ground. Oh, this storm is holy, it's covering me slowly. Rain is falling, but I'm standing on solid ground. Rain is falling, it's coming down, cleansing every shadow in my heart. And I surrender to it, let your love run through it. Rain is falling, breaking chains apart. Let it fall, let it fall, let it heal, let it heal, let it wash away the lies I used to feel. Let it pour, make me whole, make me whole. You turn a storm into a shelter for my soul. Rain is falling, it's coming down, washing all my worries to the ground. Your love is pouring, Father, restoring me completely. Rain is falling, it's coming